Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by to check out the video. Today we have a very simple project. We're going to be replacing the door latch and handle on my front door. Basically, we're going to be swapping out a brushed nickel finished handle for a black handle. I've gone through my house and I've been replacing all the hinges and all the door handles throughout the house on the interior doors with black hinges and handles and that. So I'm finally getting around to making the front door handle and latch match. Now this is not a deadbolt install. It is literally just a handle and a latch. Really simple job. So let's get started. All right, so here we are. This is the current handle that I have on my door. And you can see it's just the brushed nickel kind of finish. Perfectly functional, but I just want to swap it out for something that's black. All right, so we'll do an unboxing here. I'll show you what I'm going to be installing. So this is the new handle. Again, as you can see, it's black. That's the interior part of the handle, and of course the exterior part of the handle. All right, so we have a little paperwork that came with the new handle. Not that I'm really going to need to reference these instructions. If I were installing this brand new, I probably would be. In fact, you're going to see here in a moment, there's even a template that you would use so you would know where to bore new holes and things of that nature. I don't have to do that in this case because I'm just swapping out an existing handle and latch for a new one that is designed and made and is dimensionally just like the one that I'm taking out. Here you'll see the template, which is, again, only of interest if you're installing this brand new. The template even includes a piece that shows you exactly where to drill the lower hole that holds the bottom part of the handle to the door. That's the top part, and then there's the lower part. All right, so now we're going to get started removing the old handle. So let's start to unscrew some things and take some things apart. All right, so we have the inside handle off, and now we're going to need to take these two screws off of the plate here where the latch mechanism is located. So I'm going to do that now. We'll pull that metal plate off, and now we're going to focus on removing the exterior side of the handle. We do have one more screw that holds this bottom portion on, and that's behind this little round circular cap here. So I'm just going to grab a pair of pliers, and we will pop that off, and behind that is a screw that we're going to be taking out.
So with the screw out, all we have to do is just give a little tug on the handle there, and the whole thing will just pop right off. And you can see the ugly yellow color behind the red paint. So we'll be having to do a little touch up there later on. Now we'll just remove this little trim piece. There we go. Now we have a little box of parts here. The most important piece is going to be the actual latch mechanism itself. So we have that in the box. We have a strike plate, which I won't have to use because I have one installed that's already black. And so we have our screws to round out the hardware, as well as a little trim piece that will go on the inside. That there'll be a screw that goes through that holds on the bottom of the handle, and this white piece we're not going to be using. All right, so we have to remove the old latch part. So I'm in the process of working that out of the door. And there's even a, I don't know why this is in there, if it just came off in the process of removing that, but there is a black piece of round cylinder-like metal that I have to pop out of there in order for the other one to go in. So you'll see me here in a moment. Popping that little black cylinder out. Here you go. You can see I can't get the new one in. And again, I'll have to pop out that little black piece. All right, so I'm just going to use the screwdriver here and just give it a little tap, tap, and that should just pop right out. And with that piece out, we can now insert our new latch. So there it goes, fits in there, and we'll there's two screws that will hold that in. So we'll use two of the shorter screws that were in that little. There were two packages, and the package with the little short screws are the ones that we're going to be using. Okay, rather than bore you with another view of me installing screws, I've got the two screws installed. It's very straightforward. So now this is securely in place. And with that in place, we'll take the exterior side of our handle and we'll insert it into that lock mechanism, or the latch mechanism itself. And the bottom has a screw, and you'll see that here in a moment, that pokes through a hole that was already drilled and in place. Now we'll install the inside portion of the actual handle, and that just slips right over that pin that is part of the exterior side. And we have two screws that go in and thread into two posts that are part of the outside portion of the handle. So we're going to get those two screws installed. One of them you have to move the handle either down or up in order to get to the hole for the screw, but that's pretty typical. So we'll get this mounted here now. Similar to the top portion of the exterior side of the handle, there is a post that is part of the bottom portion of the exterior side of the handle that inserts into the hole. And then from the inside, as you can see here, I just have to get this screw and the little trim piece up on there, but the screw has to go in and hit that little post. You might have to play around with that just a little bit if you find yourself in a similar situation installing a lock like this. And I finally managed to get the screw started into that post. So we just have to give it a few turns there, get our screwdriver out, and just tighten this up. And with that screw tightened, that's got everything buttoned up as far as the new handle and latch is concerned. So now it's just a matter of giving this a test. Make sure it's going to latch and close like it's supposed to with the existing strike plate that you see here. So we'll give that a test right now. And we have another project done off our home project to-do list. So if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It helps greatly. And I hope everybody has a great day and a great week. We'll see you on the next video.